Hey guys, it's Margaret with Days Well Spent, and this video will be our first actual recipe video that's going to be sponsored by Cooking with Spirits. In this video, we're going to show you how to make beer basted mushrooms. You need your mushrooms, butter, we're going to be using some Guinness beer, and some cracked pepper. Now I'm using some salted butter, but if you're using unsalted butter, you're going to want to add a little bit of salt towards the end. So we're going to cook these mushrooms outside. We've got a cast iron pan. Allowed it to heat up a little bit, put the butter into the pan and let it melt. It is melted. We're going to go ahead and put our mushrooms in there. These are white button mushrooms, but you can use any variety or mixture that you'd like. To move your mushrooms around, that's going to ensure that they get coated evenly with the butter and also prevent them from burning. Let these cook for about 10 minutes, then we'll add the crushed pepper, the rest of the butter, and the beer. Cooking for about 9 to 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead, add the rest of the butter, the cracked pepper, and you can use regular pepper. This is just what we have in the pantry. And of course, the Guinness beer, and it's right about a half a bottle of beer. Give that a good stir. We'll occasionally stir this, and what we want to do is to let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so. All right, our Guinness beer basted mushrooms are done. Don't they look delicious? Now, the longer you let them cook, that sauce is going to reduce a little bit more. But remember, since these are basted mushrooms, they're not going to shrivel up like a sauteed mushroom does. I'm going to be putting these on our Guinness beer burger. You can find a link to that down in the description below and find it over on our website. That would be cookingwithspirits.net. If you enjoyed the video, hope you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button.